Hello, anyone watching the replay. Thanks for tuning in. So I am going to do a quick live. We're going to have a quick conversation about. So I think there are two main questions to ask yourself when you're trying to decide what type of NP you want to be when you're going to school. First is to decide, do you want to be in the hospital or out of the hospital? That's the first question. And the second question is, do you want to work with adults? Basic educational steps are to become an RN, get your BSN, and complete a master's or doctoral PEDS NP program. Somewhere in there, you want to be getting some RN experience in pediatrics as well. The ER is a really great place to learn a lot of different things, kind of learn a little bit about a lot. It's also never boring. You never have the same day twice, that's for sure. And on the flip side, it's very busy. It's high volume, high stress, lots of secondary trauma, lots of burnout. So it can be emotionally a really difficult place to work physically too. So one of the things that I focus on with nurses and NPs is helping you figure out how to find, land, and love your dream job. And yesterday on the grid post on the feed, there was a question about nurse practitioner job oversaturation and what my thoughts were about that. And I'll tell you, I have a lot of thoughts about that, and that's part of what I help teach nurse practitioners or prospective nurse practitioners about. So while there are certainly areas where there is more job competition than others, I found that the majority of people who feel that the market is oversaturated, it's usually due to a few things, and it's usually due to not a great job search strategy, which kind of creates this false sense of oversaturation because the statistics don't support. The Bureau of Labor Statistics specifically doesn't support the idea that our profession is truly oversaturated. So I believe that you have more control than you think over the process, and I feel part of my job is to empower you with the right information to develop a solid job search strategy. Well, hey there, welcome back to another episode of Ask Amanda Anything. These are my weekly bite-sized videos where I answer your questions about resumes, cover letters, and job search strategy. So this question came in from